Copilot for Word is as powerful. As mentioned, it is connected to all the data within your company, of course, the data that you give it, and following the policies that you created. But if you click on reference a file, for example, we're going to say create a project proposal based on the construction planning document, right? And then once you click on generate, it will create a whole proposal for you in seconds, right? And you can see how powerful it is. It has the introduction, project scope, a timeline, budget, and it's crunching data, as mentioned, not only from one file or another, but from what people are talking about and from everything that is in the graph related to that information. So if I like it, I'm just going to click on keep it, and then I'm scrolling through the document. I have a feeling that there is like an area here that can have extra like descriptions, right? So I can just click on Copilot, and I kind of feel like instead of trying to even create a draft, I can just click on inspire me, and it's really smart. Like it will feel like you want to elaborate more in that section, and it will just elaborate more, and you can decide to keep it or just tell it things like summarize it a bit or make it sound a little bit too like serious or whatever, right? So you can really do whatever you want over here on Word with Copilot.